Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. I miss you all. Alright, in a quick one here, you can see the picture on the screen, how I got whitened in 4 weeks, right? You can see how I've been dark. I was dark like hell for the 4th week and the 3rd week and the 2nd week, and look at my current photo, no video. This is, you can see me and the photo with the same cloth I'm putting on, right? It's not other, it's my product I use, so I want to introduce those products to you also. I did tell you about a particular soap named as Whitening Black Soap before. Are you getting it? So this one is not Whitening Black Soap. For those of us who don't want to use lotion, you don't want to use oil, you understand? So I introduced to you, I gave you Hot Babes Whitening Soap. Hot Babes Whitening Soap. For those of us who wants to do, shakabra and all that. So it's Hot Babes, and that is for real. You don't want to use oil. You don't want to use any lotion, So this is the soap. So this is the scrub. So Hot Babe Whitening Soap, this is it. Hot Babe Whitening Scrub. Alright? So this name, they are not just being formulated for formulation's sake. Alright? It's just because we try to put it out there, and after done our experiment, which it works, just mix this, all these, because I just believe on fruit. So when people come here and say a lot of things, try to criticize us with Nigeria, like as if they even know what they're doing. You know what you're doing. Why you coming to ask Nigerians for a formulation or whatever? But I know you still come back, so I'm still waiting for you, right? Be wherever you are, in the UK, in America, whatever, I'm still waiting for you, all right? Because I know what I know is what I know. What you know is quite different, all right? So if my product is not harmful to myself, meaning it's good to go, because we must carry out experiment before we release any product. So you don't just come, criticize people, go to comment and say things you don't supposed to say. Are you getting it? Hot Babes Whitening Soap, Hot Babes Whitening Scrub is not for people who don't want to white. If you know you don't want to white, you don't come close here. Alright? So have this in mind now. And let me tell you, it's nothing like acid in here, so don't think, oh no, it's just this one. You have to exfoliate yourself with this scrub, because they're like, oh, they put acid, they put this, no, not those. It's made of fruit. So if there should be any acid inside it, so like fruit acid, and if you want to know, that is when you come to school. Alright? So don't think, how are they be using it that they don't have side effects? Or do you think your lotion is better than people's lotion? So I would want to come and meet you and get your lotion. I won't do that. I have to formulate my own. Because the way you study, also we study. So if you want to know about the content, you can come one-on-one and come to school. Alright? So this soap is no-go area for those people who want to glow. If you want to glow, I can give you a glowing soap, a glowing scrub. But this one, trust me, this one is for whitening. Whitening, you want to white fine. Now then again, I have the oil. So this is the oil, right? This is the oil. So if you don't want to use the soap, you don't want to use the lotion, you can just use the oil, and the oil will give you that state that you want. That state that you want. Just all you need to do, just use the oil morning and evening, or morning and night. All right. Don't fake it. Don't say, "Oh, we don't have time. We don't have time," because that is the word you talk all the time. Because when they give instruction, please do like this or do like that, you say you don't have time. How come you don't have time and you want to get white? You don't have time and you want to get glow. So you just have to follow the instruction given to you by the producer of the product. Are you getting it? Even the doctor said, if doctor recommend anything for you, you have to follow what the doctor by doctor recommendation. Other than that, you're just a fluke. All right. So please, I beg of you, use it the way I said. Morning, night, morning, night. Then if you think you're satisfied, you've gotten the shade you needed, you cannot reduce it. You understand? So don't forget this. If you want us to train you, you want us to train you from a scratch. From what we mean from a scratch, as a beginner, you can enroll with us. All right? You can enroll with us. You might not have millions to go take the class, in the university like the way we did. All right? Even the way it is, we still going, taking more classes, professional classes. We still take more professional classes. You know what? Millions. We pay for that. You know, just for us to give you the best. It's a sacrifice. You can see, it's an idea somebody put together to formulate the 1 + 2 you said they do. To get this, you can see the picture is still in there. It's an idea person formulator. You understand? Put together. So don't think, oh, if you join this, you join that. Even if you join, even in the school, the university, it's still the join this, you join that, and join this to get that. So stop criticizing people. Other than that, if not, if you repeat that again, I will tell you to, they will pull your account down. I will file a report against you. And your comment, you can't even dispute it, because your comment, they are still there. All right. So let's not dwell on that, my people. Let's continue the journey. What we're saying right now. This soap, liver, hot babes, now real hot babes. So hot babes, now you get this soap. So if you don't pass hot babe, you want to take it easy, go for glowing, or you won't go for 1 or 2 shade, fine. But if you say you want to do hot babes you don't enter the right place. And for those of you who be refusing to give your friends my number to get from the right source, you know good though. God is sure now, there is God though. So please, you also, when you be a friend, go YouTube, go find the name Austin Global. He don't tell you about the name, but go search Austin Global. We see the Instagram also, Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare, right? We see the Facebook also, we did TikTok. So now the real talk with this, I don't give a now. Till some other time when I will come on our way. Not forget, we dey ship everywhere. We dey ship anything, even food stuff we dey ship. You know, clothes we dey ship, hairs we dey ship, skincare product we dey ship, logistic business we dey. You understand? So acquire, try to get it now. That's the point I'm telling you about now. You get it now. You get it. All right. Till some other time. See you again. Stay tuned. Bye bye.